Fat Guy Flies RC here, out here at the Avon Park field. You can see the turbo timber down there at the end. Look at my flag. Way too windy. But, here again, when does that ever seem to stop me? Come on. Yeah, that wind is not the nicest right now. But, I'm flying in the wind on purpose. Running a Reaction 2800 inner right now.
Landing flaps.
And what I'm doing is I'm purposely flying in this kind of wind just to do this right here. Got the flaps all the way around, about quarter throttle right now. Doing what I like to call wind surfing. So it's just it's way too windy to be flying today, but this can be kind of fun too. But and when it's real windy like this, you have to go against the wind. You fly into it and land into it, because it's just way too windy to even attempt a cross runway landing. So I'm actually going sideways right now. Oh boy, this actually makes it fun, but you really have to be on your A game. You definitely don't want to use flaps for landing, that's for sure. I'm barely got the throttle on, it's just wind that's carrying it. So now we're going to actually attempt a landing. Barely using throttle, just enough to give me some penetration into the wind. Making a very slow approach. You know what? I might just hover here. Let's just look at that. This is what, you know, look at that. Literally standing still. But like I said, this is not what a beginner. This is not for a beginner to do, because the slightest little mistake and you're going to dip off the right or the left really suddenly. So you really got to be on your ailerons and your elevator, keeping yourself nice and level. But once you get used to this and you have some practice at it, this can be a lot of fun. This really can be a lot of fun. Just kind of riding the wind, literally wind surfing. I mean, this is what it is. You're actually surfing the wind, just like this guy on a surfboard on a wave. He just got the right amount of momentum, just riding with the wave, just riding along. I mean, I've got like no throttle right now, and just enough to keep her going in that direction, but she's almost standing still. And go around and then just catch the other wave. Now I'm turning back into the wind here. Now if I really want to go slow, I put landing flaps in, and she literally will almost stand still.
Flaps up.
A little more throttle there, go back around. But like I said, I do not recommend a beginner doing this. We're going to land now, and you really have to have your timing down. Okay. But taking off of the wind is not a problem. Hardly have to have any throttle. Man, I'm crazy. I am crazy to fly in this. Okay, I'm completely out of throttle now. Throttle's off. Oh, here we go. I gotta turn it back on now. So. Whoa! Man, Because you got to remember, however windy it is where you're standing, it's exponentially hard or faster and stronger the higher up you go. All right, we're gonna land it. Okay. Oh man, that wind. Oh boy, see, look at that flag. But this is fun to do. It's a lot of fun to do. But I highly recommend, if you're going to do this, you're going to attempt it with a plane that you're very, very comfortable with, that you're very confident with. That's the one you want to do it with. Because today is just unpredictable gusts out of the southeast. It's a constant 10 mile an hour, but it's gusts up to 20. And they're completely unpredictable. You can pull off, if you time it right, you can pull off some of the best landings of your life. But you gotta get the timing. Now I'm gonna turn against the wind now. Hey, she didn't flip over. Whoa! See how it gusted that last moment? That could have been bad. Imagine the passengers on their plane are like, oh, I just lost my lunch. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna do one more. Hopefully I won't get turned around or flipped over here now. Okay.
Time remaining 5 minutes.
Yeah, I know. I didn't have my range test turned off, so timer started over. Oh yeah, these gusts are bad. Oh, they're bad now. I ain't gonna lie, that was an accidental touch and go. Well, I didn't like the way it looked, so I powered up out of it once it hit. So let's do that again. Oh boy. See, this is where a new person would panic because they feel like they don't have enough control, or they feel like it's just completely out of control. In a way, it is. You have to remain calm. Well, folks, there it is. That's the turbo timber. Doing a little bit of high wind. Please don't flip over. A little bit of high wind practice. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and God bless y'all. You a happy bird? You're a happy bird. All right, God bless y'all. Bye bye.